Hi there, and welcome to Fluent English Story Vault. Get ready to listen closely. Repeat with confidence. Focus on every word. One day, you'll speak English fluently. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Giulia, and I'm from Italy. I moved to Canada 6 months ago. My native language is Italian, but here people speak English. Yesterday, I decided to visit a local café for the first time. I wanted to order a delicious drink and practice my English a little. To be honest, I was very nervous because I'm not yet fluent in speaking. When I entered the café, the smell of fresh coffee filled the air. There was a big menu behind the counter. It said, espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced Americano, hot chocolate, green tea. I walked to the counter. The barista smiled and said, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" My heart was beating fast. With a little hesitation, I said, Can I have a small latte, please?" The barista said, "Sorry, we're out of milk. No latte today." I was surprised. I didn't know what to say. Should I leave? Or try something else? Then I noticed a drink called iced Americano. I didn't know what it tasted like. I asked, "Is it sweet?" She said, "No, but you can add sugar or syrup if you like." I smiled and said, "Okay, I'll try it." I placed my order and sat down by the window. After a while, they called my name. "Giulia, your iced Americano is ready." I picked up my glass and took a small sip. It was stronger than I expected, but kind of nice. I think I started to like it. I opened my notebook and began writing. At that moment, I felt good. Sometimes a simple experience, like ordering coffee, can turn into a small and interesting adventure. Now, iced Americano is one of my favorite drinks. Sometimes, the smallest steps lead to the biggest adventures. What will your next one be?